no traction. We're on rev limiter for a couple seconds.
Oh!
Dude, my mom's gonna be pissed. What's up, guys? We didn't really have too much going on today. We were at the shop not too long ago, just kind of cleaning up and stuff, but as you can see, we have a whole bunch of snow out, and normally on a night like tonight, I'd be out in Wago ripping it around, but you guys saw what happened to Wago, unfortunately. But we are actually at my parents' house right now, and Hayden and Wyatt just hit me up. They're taking Hayden's wagon out to the parking lot that we always go to. If you OG subscribers know, we like to drift the Wagos, but since I don't have mine, we're actually gonna be stealing my mom's front-wheel drive Civic. I'm with Matt, and we're gonna go rip this thing around. And it's not as fun as the all-wheel drive wagons, but we can definitely still send it in this car. It's actually really funny because I just hit up my mom and I was like, hey, can I borrow your car to go drift with my friends? And she's like, okay. She didn't care because, I mean, this was my car originally, and she just picked up this like G6, and this has been her new daily. So this thing has just been sitting for a while. But we're gonna let this thing warm up. It is pretty cold out right now, and we're gonna go head over to this parking lot and go see if we can do some front wheel drive drifts and go meet up with Hayden and have some fun.
It's so freaking cold.
Does it smell like this in England?
No, it's cold.
All right, we're in my mom's Civic. Check engine lights on, not sure when that came on, but the roads are really bad. You can see I'm in first gear, and if we mash the throttle, we have no traction. We're on rev limiter for a couple seconds. Now then we go to second. Still no traction at all. And then we can see if I can get third gear real quick. Got third, but then it finally starts to bog out. But the roads are rough right now. But this is prime drift weather. All right, guys, we just made it to the spot. I already found Hayden and Wyatt. They're over here in the wagon. Oh, he's getting it, dude. Send it! Whoa! Oh, he's getting it. Sending it, bro.
I got the whole 180 down too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, he did. He goes down once. Like a pussy also.
Does he? I bet he does. He needs Whitston Pro drift lessons.
Yeah. Dude, it does like stationary donuts so good.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Send it.
Seconds later.
What happened, dude?
My mom's gonna be mad now. Dude, it might be knocking.
It sounds a bit knocky.
We need to check if there's oil in it.
Yeah, that might have been a good thing to do before we started driving it, but yeah.
Hey, tell me it died.
Might not have had any oil in it, bro.
Dude, this thing might have an oil. Dude, there's no oil in it. Now it's just on limiter. It won't stay running now.
Oh, right now, Kyle.
Dude.
Bro.
I mean, it's like kind of my fault, but also like they didn't put any oil in it. We used to bang limiter on this thing all the time back in the day. Dude, we just barely made it, dude. We're already, I'm pretty sure it has a slight knock. I'm not even joking.
Oh, it was knocking.
Well, I guess our video's cut short here because we're not ripping on this until it's just to make it back home. I'm gonna have to fix the bearings on my mom's Civic now.
I reckon you just send it.
No, I'm not. I want to make it home tonight. It should make it back home fine.
Yeah, it should.
But we're gonna need to stop. Yo, Hayden, you think you could take us to get some oil?
Yeah, I can. I'll take you to get some oil.
Dude, there's nothing on it. Yeah, she has some rod knock. Sorry, Mom. We're gonna have to have Hayden take us to get some oil. Man, we literally just made it here too.
Oh.
We started to drift it a little bit. But man, no oil. Dude, I swear when we first got this thing, we would rip it limiter all day. It took it all. I mean, there's literally no oil on the dipstick.
It was literally funny how you were saying it had a check engine light, and then you were ripping it.
Probably low oil pressure.
I would
The
imagine
oil light
so.
wasn't on though. It wasn't flickering. Winston Golly's Pro Drift Lessons.
My book's available on Audible. It's only $39.99.
On Amazon.
All right, boys, oil is obtained. I got 4 quarts of 2050. Hopefully this will just go right in and the knock will go away and it never happened, right?
Dude, every time, dude.
They have some 50 weights.
Yeah, it's 2050 now.
That thing will be done knocking in a minute.
Bro, you should film a reaction and be like, she'd be like, did you blow my car up? You'd be like,
Hey, luckily she just got a new daily, so
True.
that thing has just been sitting this whole time.
K-swap coming soon?
K-swap my mom's daily.
I
mean, right now it's at least 2 quarts low because there's nothing on the dipstick. So I mean, it's like kind of my fault, but it's also not my fault. Because Wyatt knows we used to limit around this thing for all day long. Yeah, remember when I went home with the gas nozzle?
That was in this
We're
thing?
like, we're like, why is this dude yelling at us?
Yeah, we thought some guy was yelling at us because we were because I was drifting onto the road. We thought he was mad because we were drifting, but I left the gas station with the whole gas hose. Completely forgot to pull it out because we went in to get food and I just hopped right back in and we left. I made it all the way to Wyatt's house.
We heard a loud thug, like as we're pulling away, didn't think nothing of it. I get out of the car, walk around the other side, bro. Dude, you have the gas nozzle, bro.
No, it's at the first dot after 2.
Man, that was empty.
I mean, D3s only hold like 4 quarts. So it was missing
4 quarts.
It was missing like 2.5.
It still had 1 in it.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes at least a quart of like stuff to circulate.
Yeah.
So it was starting to just go dry.
Open up a little.
A little bit more.
Oh, yeah, she done. Hey, it stays idling now before it shut off.
Well, you got that going for you.
Damn.
So bad.
Dude, we didn't even get like maybe 2 drifts in and it blew up.
The night's not over. It still runs.
I'm not running it to the ground. I want to make it home.
And I have a tow. I brought a tow strap.
Yeah, there you go.
Just for this reason.
Just in case it blew up.
It's a tradition. You have to have a tow strap.
Oh, that's so bad. Dude, it's so bad.
Oh.
Dude, my mom's gonna be pissed. Well, that didn't last long. Tried to put some more oil in it, but it still sounds really bad. So I am sorry, Mom. Hopefully it will make it home, but for now we're just gonna let it stay here and we will be hanging out with Wyatt and Hayden in the wagon. But yeah, blew up my mom's car really quickly. It did not like that rev limiter. All right, well, since mine blew up and I don't have my wagon, Hayden's let me drive his. I don't know why you're trusting me with my bad luck.
Dude, such bad luck.
I promise I'm gonna go easy and normal on it. I know it's not my car.
Well, that's the thing is, if it does blow up, like it's gonna blow up anyway.
Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby.
I know. I've already been ripping it, so it's all good. Yeah.
Oh,
Stop!
that's why I'm saying hurry up.
All right, go rip it, dude. Record on the GoPro, boy. Might be a bad idea letting Kyle drive it after he's broke. Mom's living, but you gotta have some fun, right? Ripping it. Woo! Ooh, he couldn't figure 8 it, or he couldn't spin it around.
I honestly got scared because I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, you can't see at all.
I didn't know how close I was over there.
Do you want me to brush you off?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're good on oil pressure, boys.
Run over their
Cones out here.
Run over them, bro.
Do not run over them. Well, let me get out.
Alright, here. Pro drift lessons. Oh, we're coming in hot, boy. Easy. That's a curve there.
We're a ways away from the curve. Came a little south of the coast, not gonna lie.
Missed him by a little bit.
Half a mile at least.
G7X died, guys. We're switching to the GoPro. Sorry if the lighting's not as good. It's our buddy Aaron in his Volvo. Oh, he's sending it. Oh! Damn. That was close.
He committed to that one.
That was sick.
He's got, yeah.
He owns this lot.
Yeah,
He's the DK of this lot.
He's a DK. Dude. We gotta leave, bro. The DK king.
That DK meme for Hayden.
Yeah.
Because I'm like full locked up, sliding towards the end.
No.
He's sending it. That one was close.
Was it?
That one was close.
Oh, I can see the marks. Dude.
You were
That's
close.
So sick.
That was a good one.
I'd love to nick it, to be honest.
Just a little tap.
Because I just treat this thing like shit, you know, so.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Yeah, I think we're getting out of here for right now, though. We're about to get some food. It's cold. Yeah, let's get some food.
It was so crazy that it was like 80 yesterday.
Yeah, it's just
I should be used
Colorado.
to
We
this,
were in a
like,
t-shirt yesterday. That's sick, man. It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man, for sure.
Need to go to the skate park sometime soon.
Yeah, dude. I've been off the skateboard for like 5 years, but I need to get back
Yeah,
on
that's
it.
how I know this guy. Back when I scootered
Yeah.
back at the local.
I
Did
knew
you?
this guy when you were like 11, dude. Like.
Yeah.
How old are you when you first showed up at Fall River on a scooter, dude? You were so
A long
young.
time ago.
Those were good days, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here, but
Dude,
it was
big
nice to
fan.
see you, man.
Yeah, it's good to see you guys.
Well, we're gonna get out of here early since this thing might not make it all the way home, and Hayden's gonna follow in case we need towed. So hopefully a rod doesn't ejecto itself out this block. But she's knocking pretty good. So I can only imagine what my mom's gonna say. These guys are still out here sending it though. The slot's always full of people.
I think sounds good, dude.
I know, he's getting it for being a little Jetta.
I've never been this cold in my life.
No?
I'm not used to this weather.
England isn't this bad?
No.
I can just leave it there, maybe she'll never know.
It starts up. What's that noise?
Well, yeah, that's nothing, don't worry about that. Thanks for letting us ride in that and drive it, even though this thing broke.
Hasn't broken yet, shut up.
I mean, it's running. Don't say nothing.
Nothing happened.
All right, we're on our way back. I think we'll be okay. If I keep it under like 2,500, you don't hear a single knock out of this thing. It's purring like it never even happened. So Hayden's following us most of the way there in case we get stranded because it is really cold. But I think we're gonna make it. And I might owe my mom like some work on her car. So we'll see what she says later on. Maybe she'll just let us have this thing back and I'll just turbo it for her or something. Who knows? But I think we'll be good. We're like 15-20 minutes from my house, from my parents' house. I think we'll be alright. Didn't go as planned, but we still had fun. I know Matt had a lot of fun.
Oh, I had loads of fun. I reckon you should mat it for the team though.
I'm not Matt. No. We gotta make it home. Oh, he's so close to us. Like, oh, yeah. He's pushing us right now. I mean, we're good. She's still running. Hey, easy back there. Oh! I forgot about all the snow on the side.
May as well open it, bro.
sunroof was not a good idea. Oh, you can hear it. Hear it? It's getting worse because now
I can hear it.
2,000. I think we'll still make it though.
So not only have you blown your mum's car up, you've now got it soaked inside and it's been bashed.
Yeah, she's not gonna be happy about this one. You guys going that way?
Yeah, we're gonna go home.
All right, I think I'll be good.
Call us if you break down.
All right,
Let's see you launch.
see ya. Hell no. See ya. We made it back. It's actually holding an idle. Before we put the oil in it, it would just die right away. Because now there's actually some oil lubricating some stuff in there. Once again, I am sorry, Mom, but thankfully she has her new daily over there, and they've literally been letting this thing sit for months, so I don't think they're going to be too upset about it. This used to be one of my old dailies. We bought this thing at a body shop when I used to work at a body shop. Got it for 600 bucks. The whole front end was smashed up. I literally just threw a hood and bumper on it and gave it to my parents so they could have it when they needed it, because I didn't really have the space for it. But it's just been sitting, so I don't think they're going to be too upset. That's why I'm not that worried. But if it was like one of my mom's like nicer cars or something, she'd be really upset. But this one I think we're okay with, because it's just a Civic and we know them, and if she really does want me to get it fixed for her quick, I think the crank's probably fine. It's idling really good right now. It doesn't sound...
Probably better turn it off before it
Yeah, we should probably
very
stop.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah. But I think we could probably just throw some bearings in it and it'd probably be good. But I mean, I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see how bad it is. We can bring it to the shop and take a look at how bad the bearings are. But yeah, luckily we were able to at least get it back. So I mean, it kind of technically blew up, but it was still drivable. You just can't rev it over 2,500 or else you can hear the knock pretty good. So yeah, I mean, I'll probably upload this video tonight and she'll wake up to it in the morning, and I won't be home to get smacked in this video. So just gonna drop the keys off and pretend this never happened.
Man, I'm running away.
Well, we made it back home safe. Matt's had enough of the snow and cold.
Oh, so cold.
But at least we had fun, and we got to rip Hayden's wagon around and stuff. And yeah, unfortunately gave my mom's car a rod knock. Definitely want to get Wago fixed as soon as I can. Kind of sucked we didn't have it ready for the snow. That would have been really fun to drift both the wagons out there, but we'll get her fixed as soon as we can. The track bar should be on its way soon. We have another control arm lined up, ready to go on. Get a new axle and stuff. We got that new fender that a fan sent, ready to go on. So another big thank you to whoever sent that one. Looks like it matches the other one perfectly, so it should be the right model and everything we need. And I don't think it's gonna look too bad with a black fender for a night right now. So I think we'll be good on that guy. And then I also did file a claim with my insurance, and we should hopefully be trying to sort all that out. I'm not sure how much I'll get for it, but they did accept the claim and stuff, and the lady did admit fault, so hopefully we'll get something back out of it. But yep, that's gonna be it for tonight though, guys. Made it back safe, and we're gonna go to bed. It was really cold, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.